A first-degree murder verdict has been set aside, paving the way for a new trial for Terry Lamont Wilson.
He was just 19 when he fired a shot that killed a man in a park in Clinton Township. That was 2013. There's no disputing that. What is in dispute is why he was convicted and if he's guilty of first or second-degree murder or if he acted in self-defense.
Jason Colthorpe is here with the new information that led to this. Jason.
Yeah, Terry Wilson was charged with first-degree murder of the shooting of his friend, William Clark, but he argued it was self-defense. The jury saw it differently, but now a judge says what happened in that jury room was not justice.
Amazing. It's indescribable.
Terry Wilson's mother, Shonda, trying to put into words what a new trial means for her son.
How tough has it been, to see your boy in jail?
It was hard. It is hard.
Wilson's appellate attorney, Wade Fink, was almost out of appeal options 2 years ago when his team tried one last thing.
Why don't we interview the jurors, see if there's anything interesting that comes up, and lo and behold, we discovered a pretty massive problem.
They learned one in particular had made several racist statements.
There wasn't just one juror who heard a racist statement. It turns out there were 4. And they testified very compellingly, including one young lady who remembers the N-word being used by the same gentleman in deliberations.
Yesterday, 9 months after that hearing, Judge Jennifer Fonce issued her 35-page opinion.
And she said, no matter whether Terry's guilty or innocent, the fact is that one of his jurors was judging him on the basis of race. So essentially this case, it's as if the trial never happened.
It breaks my heart to know that he's being looked at a certain way because of his color.
Shonda has so many emotions. She's grateful that first juror had the courage to speak up. Sad that the family of William Clark will have to relive this, but most of all thankful to God for a second chance to one day hug her son as a free man.
So many sleepless, wet pillow nights. He heard my crying, and I tell my other children every day, he'll be home.
This does not mean Terry Wilson goes free. If the prosecutor doesn't appeal this ruling, there will be a new trial on first-degree murder charges in the coming weeks, but this decision is a huge victory. First step, but a huge victory for them.
Well, what does the prosecutor's office have to say?
I reached out to the prosecutor directly. They didn't respond, but as we say, they can appeal this. If they don't, in the next couple of weeks, a new trial date should be set.
Goes over. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Jason. All right.